Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Susanne Dehmel. I'm Managing Director, Legal and Security at Bitkom and one of the inventors of this event. And I want to give a very warm welcome to all our speakers, participants and partners to the fourth Bitkom Privacy Conference here in Berlin-Mitte in the Kalkscheune. I'm very happy that once again we can see a significant rise in participants. So I'm pretty optimistic that we will be able to meet around 300 experts here today. And as it might get a little more difficult to find each other with so many people around here, we have a new matchmaking tool called Brella. You should have all got an email in advance about it. But you can still, if you haven't had time to check it out, you can still download the app or use the mobile website, and you can find a QR code for this downstairs in the exhibition area and also at the registration, and all my colleagues around here can also give you some help if needed. Some more organizational stuff. There's a Wi-Fi network here, and the password and name can be found on the program leaflet and maybe also on the slides. And our hashtag for the conference is #PCO18, like Privacy Conference. And now we can go on to the more content-like things. And indeed now we're 4 months after the coming into application or coming into force of the GDPR. And still there is a lot of need for a discussion, I think. And I take it as a confirmation that so many of you are here. And I just come out of the press conference we had today, where we have released the latest numbers of our surveys. We do regularly on how far German companies are in implementing GDPR. And well, what can I say? It's still only 1/4 that says of all German companies that says that they have fully completed the implementation. And that hasn't changed a lot since May 2018 when we asked for the last time. So the biggest hurdles that are named are still the insecurity about how to interpret the rules of GDPR, and also it's hard to estimate the effort one has to take, the resources one needs to implement the regulation. That also, these are the two biggest hurdles that were named since 2016, and so it's good we're here today to discuss some more of the detailed questions that arise when you work in an enterprise and try to be compliant. And what else keeps the work of a data protection officer interesting day by day, or a daily challenge? I think that's for all of us, it's the development of new technologies and the implementation of these technologies in a data protection compliant way. And we have, I think, a few really interesting presentations on this, on blockchain issues, also on artificial intelligence today. And we've also just finished and released a paper on transparency for machine learning, which might be of interest to many of you. I think you can find a QR code on this in the bags as well. So I myself have to apologize in advance, because I will be hopping in and out of this event today, because I've got a parallel obligation. Today is the day when the Enquete Commission, the Enquete Commission of the German Parliament on AI, societal responsibility and economic, social and ecological potentials of AI is constituted. And I've got the honor to be one of the experts who's part of the commission. So I will go to the Bundestag and come back here to the conference in the afternoon in a little while. I'm really happy I can be part of that commission, but I'm a little sad that I can't be here for all the presentations. So my colleague Rebecca Weiss will jump in and do some of the moderation in the morning. But anyway, we thought we have so many little nitty-gritty questions in implementing the law and on a daily basis that it might be good to start today with taking a little step back and look at the concept of our data protection rules and how they are thought to be and what they could be. And so I'm really happy that we have as our first speaker Professor Kai von Lewinsky, who started his career as a lawyer, but then turned towards a more scientific path, and he holds the chair for public law, media and information law at the Faculty of Law at Passau University in Bavaria since 2014. And he will give us an impulse maybe on a broader view on what are we doing here today.